The construction industry is booming. Material costs are rising, and now more than ever, construction businesses need to find a way to protect their assets.
A lot of friends of mine was telling me that in the construction sites, a lot of equipment was getting stolen. We run a few businesses here in Orlando, Florida, Majestic Renovations, Septic Dominators, and Mathis & Sons AC. We were looking for trackers to protect my family's assets. We own a lot of businesses and we have trucks and a lot of equipment.
My fleet includes 2 pump trucks, a Vector truck, a dump truck, 3 machines, a trailer jetter, several sales trucks, a lift station truck.
This dynamic and busy family turned to GPS to protect their investments and their family from a detrimental loss of equipment they need to keep their businesses operational. They use GPS across all 3 businesses so they can get their team where they need to be more efficiently. With GPS, they also have the security of knowing where all their assets are at all times, even when they have to be left unsupervised on a job site.
It just gives us a peace of mind. We have a $30,000 piece of equipment here. Sometimes we have to leave it on the job site.
If anything gets stolen, pretty much like equipment, trailers, I'll know exactly where it is.
Hey, where you at? What are you doing next? I just pull it up on the computer. That's it.
This busy family is on the go all around Orlando, Florida. Tony is in the office and is able to see all of her family's assets and fleet in the field. She can easily set up alerts to notify her when trackers are moving outside designated areas, when trackers are not moving when they should be, and when trackers are making unnecessary stops or going past desired speeds.
When Uncle Martin told my son about Spytec, right away he did it because he knows it's going to benefit our business. It's going to help us.
My mom and my uncle monitor the Spytec trackers, and they really stay on top of everything in my business.
The versatility of the GL300 gives Martin the ability to move trackers where they are needed most. And to monitor his personnel and assets, it takes just a few seconds to set up trackers, create custom boundaries and alerts, and begin monitoring his assets in real time.
I could be on a construction site, my equipment could be all over, and I could track it online.
It's kind of like a cell phone. You got to have something that I'd recommend to anybody.
And just keeps track of everything. You just know where everybody's at.
I know where everybody's at, and I can just send them out from there.
Keeps our minds clear, as far as worried about if our equipment's going to be on the job the next morning or not.
With the Spytec mobile application, Martin and his family are able to see their asset locations in the palm of their hands, no matter where work or life takes them.
I feel like they're like security guards. Spytec could be like security guards, silent security guards for us.